How does YouTube SEO work? What are the steps to optimize your YouTube videos for search? The answers to these questions are simpler than you might think. While it might seem difficult to get any exposure on YouTube, you can implement certain strategies to ensure that the YouTube algorithm favors you in the search results. In this video, we'll go over proven YouTube SEO tips that have worked for HubSpot's YouTube channel and that will work for you, regardless of your channel size. Let's get started. To get videos to rank on YouTube, we must first understand the YouTube algorithm and YouTube's ranking factors. Just like any search engine, YouTube wants to deliver content that answers the searcher's specific query. For instance, if someone searches for how to tie a tie, YouTube won't deliver a video titled how to tie your shoelaces. Instead, it will serve search results that answer that specific query. So, as you try your hand at YouTube SEO, think about how you can incorporate terms and phrases that are used by your target audience. You'll also need to think about YouTube analytics and engagement. When it ranks videos, YouTube cares about a metric called watch time, in other words, how long viewers stay on your video. A long watch time means that you're delivering valuable content. A short watch time means that your content should likely not rank. If you want your videos to rank, try to create content that's optimized for longer watch times. You can, for instance, prompt users to stay until the end of the video by promising a surprise or a giveaway.